Hey Siri, cancel timer. Alright. Hello, hello. I don't know if anyone's here. Do a tweet. That's good enough. Why do I feel like that's quiet? Maybe it's... That's fine, isn't it? Hello? I think so. Why am I not hitting the, I'm gonna turn myself up. Tiny bit. I'm sure that's fine. Retweet. Great. Now, what am I trying to do today? I don't know. See if anyone shows up, I guess. Right. Oh yeah. What tracks am I working on? Why don't I...
Main menu.
Narration on. Actually, I need to be louder too.
Options. Vertical menu with 20. Accessibility. Narration volume. 4, 7, 10. Options. Vertical main menu. Arcade. Press left and right to select
Nope.
main menu. Mission selection. Grid of missions. Ultra difficulty. Selected test mission 1. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above below to the left. Mission difficulty change to standard. Mission difficulty change to challenge. 4. Test mission 3. Test mission 2. Gold medal. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions below to the left to the right. Test mission 3. Gold medal. Test mission 2. Gold medal. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above to the right. Test mission 2. Gold medal.
So what I wanted to do...
There are missions above below to the left.
See if I can do it.
Mission difficulty. Mission 1. Gold medal. Test mission difficulty change to challenge.
I wanted to do... hidden stuff. Game mode am I in?
Game settings menu. Vertical menu with 5 items. Selected game speed selection. Selected. 100%. Game mode selection. Selected. Visible cues. Press left and right to change. Audible cues 1. Audible cues 2. Speed delay selection. Selected. 0. Press left and right to change. Mission selection. Grid of missions. Challenge difficulty. Selected test. Loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Miss fewer than 22 notes. Done. Pause menu. 103% speed.
Let me narrate that. I'm not narrating autoplay turning on and off. I'm just gonna fix stuff as I find them. Let's see, autoplay. Hello, Camaro.
Hi.
I am just working on editor stuff, and I'm gonna try to do some editing And I'm just gonna fix issues as I run into them. So right now I notice when I toggle autoplay, it doesn't narrate anything. So so let's do that first. Oh, I'm pooped today. I did a bunch of yard work and now I'm tired.
Loading. Done loading. Welcome to C. Arcade.
Oops, I
Main
keep
menu.
going to arcade.
Mission selection. Grid of missions. Challenge difficulty. Selected test mission 1. Gold medal and loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Miss fewer than 22 notes. Done load.
Oh, this track
Pause menu.
takes. Okay.
100% speed. Autoplay on. Autoplay off.
Okay.
Autoplay on.
Autoplay is on. Great.
Pause menu.
That's one
100%
thing.
speed.
Oh. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's see. I need this to stay off my screen.
Song editor.
Song editor.
0.
Beat 0.
1/4.
Oh,
0.
I need to turn on.
Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected file. View. Play. Play menu. Vertical menu with 9 items. Restart button. F5. Toggle autoplay button. F1. Enable metronome clap button. Press enter to activate. Enable note clap button. Press enter to activate. Enable slice clap button. Press enter to activate. Turn off clap button. Press enter to activate.
What was I doing?
Toggle return cursor on pause button. Toggle audio scrubbing button. Press enter to activate. Audio scrubbing enabled. Exited menu. Editor exited. Song editor. 3/4.
So, how am I gonna do this? Well, that's okay.
Channel 1. Channel 2.
One thing I wanted to do.
Base2.og. Base2.og. Channel 1. Base1.og. Channel 0. ARP.og.
I think that when you select a different channel, it should just automatically narrate the instrument you're over. Does that make sense?
Channel 1. Base1.og.
Right now I have to. I don't see why not.
Channel 0. ARP.og.
Right now I have to press C to figure out what's under.
ARP.og. 1. 3/4. 1. 1 and 1. 1 and a half. 1 and 3/4. 0.
To figure out what is under the cursor. So, is that helpful? I don't know. I'm gonna try it. Track editor. Nope, song editor. Song editor. Push left, right. Where is it? Not that. Let's see. This one uses this talk thing. I don't know if I like that. Because that doesn't.
Channel 15. Channel 4. Channel 8. Channel 9. Channel 4. Channel 0.
Oh no, that's fine.
Channel 1. Channel 0. Channel 5. Channel 13.
Okay.
Channel 4. Channel
Okay.
15.
Okay. Get instrument and note at B. That's what I want. So, oh, I have nuts. I had this done incorrectly. I'm okay. Narrate cursor position. How about there we have a narrate channel function. So narrate current channel. Did you do it? Great. Okay, there we go. Put this shit into that function. I keep copying and pasting code. You're not supposed to do that. Ideally. But that's how I like to work, apparently. So when you change channel, narrate to current channel. What do I want it to do? Narrate. What am I doing? Alright, let's try it. At least I think that will make it more useful to go going back and forth like that. Easier to find your samples, I guess. Maybe. Building and running.
Loading.
Loading.
Done loading. Press any button.
Okay, go off my screen.
Welcome to Sequence Storm. Main menu. Vertical menu with 6 items. Selected continue button. Press enter to activate. Mission selection. A grid of missions. Challenge difficulty. Selected test mission 1. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above below to the left to the right. Press F1 for more. Loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Miss fewer than 22 notes.
The song takes forever to load. Where are we at?
Pause menu.
Started.
100% speed.
So,
Song editor.
editor.
0. Channel 1. Base1.og.
Oh, I put a period in there.
Channel 2. Base2.og.
Should it have a...
Channel 1. Base1.og.
No. I'm gonna get rid of that period. I don't want that. I won't rebuild though.
Channel 2. Base2.og.
Alright, that's fun.
0. 1/4. 1/2.
Oh, I didn't save the, Here's another thing I want to fix is,
Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected file.
I'd like to be able to get at these menus faster. I don't know if that's something I want to work on right now, but I've got a file. View. Play.
Track info.
Yeah, that's more involved than I want to do right now. Play menu.
Play menu. Toggle audio scrubbing button. Press enter to activate. Audio scrubbing enabled.
Okay.
Exited menu. 3/4. 1. 1 and 1. 0.
There. What? I don't know what difficulty I'm in right now. Well, let's do it. Well, yeah, that sure is a song. Yeah, I don't
65 and 3/4.
I don't have a clue what difficulty I'm in right now. So that kind of sucks. I think this is easy. Well, oops. Maybe that's fine. So, nope. Okay. Trying basic stuff. Alright. Fine. Well, I need to try editing. That's the whole
0.
point of this.
1/4.
I need to try editing something that I actually need to edit, because let's see, what is not done? Well, I need to work on Remember Sailor Easy. Let's try it.
Editor exited.
Um,
Pause menu.
Nope.
102% speed. Restart. Quit.
Quit.
Mission selection. The group of missions. Challenge. Test mission 2. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above below to the left. Mission difficulty change to ultra. Mission difficulty change to standard.
Standard is easy, right? Oh, I hate this. I don't know which difficulty I'm in.
Loading mission. Boost is disabled for this
Yeah,
mission.
because this will
Mission
be
objective. It notes with 90%
easy,
accuracy.
easy, medium, hard. Alright.
Done loading. Press enter to continue. Autoplay on.
I might
Pause
even
menu.
need to
125% speed.
change the volume so I can hear the cues better. So there's so much involved here. This is complicated.
Song editor. 0. -1 and 3/4. 0. -1 and 3/4. 18 and 1/4.
Yeah, I think I have to turn the... I'm so terrible at doing this stuff by ear. I probably will... Well, let me just keep trying. Yeah, I think I have to turn the actual music audio volume down.
Editor exited.
Kind of annoying. Nope.
Pause menu. 116% speed. Pause menu. Restart. Quit.
Quit.
Mission selection. The group of main menu.
Back.
Vertical menu with 6 items. Select arcade button. Press enter to act. Options button. Press options. Vertical menu with 22 items. Selected accessibility button. Change accessibility
Where?
options.
Oh, it's
Game mode
here.
selection. Timing difficult. Keyboard button. Gamepad button. Arcade style. Master volume. Music volume. Value 100. 99. 90. 97. 90. 80. 80. 70. 70. 69. 68. 69. 70.
70, I don't know. I don't
Main
normally...
menu. Vertical menu with 6 items. Selected options button. Press enter to activate. Press F1 for more information.
Where am I?
Arcade button. Press
Oh.
enter to act. Continue button. Mission selection. The group of missions. Standard difficulty. Selected test mission 2. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. Mission difficulty change to mission difficulty change to ultra. Mission difficulty change to standard.
Why do we narrate so much there? I should just say... Whatever.
Mission difficulty change to challenge. Mission difficulty change to ultra. Mission difficulty change to standard.
It's too
Loading mission.
much.
Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Hit notes with 90% accuracy. Done loading. Press enter to continue, or escape to go back. Autoplay on. Pause menu. 106% speed. Song editor. 0.
Okay. What am I doing? What am I doing? So
Channel 3.
if I did want to edit...
Channel 4. Channel 5. Channel 6. Channel 5. Channel 4. Channel 2. 0. Channel 1. Channel 0.
Where
That's
are
all.
my... Oh.
Channel 1. Chords.org. Channel 2. Drums.org.
Oh, here we are. Now, I began putting in a little bit of tools for messing with the slices, because these are all key sounded, and that makes editing a lot harder. So I have a... is that going to be horrible? If I turn on...
Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected 5. View. Play.
So on play,
Play menu. Toggle return. Turn off clap button. Enable slice clap button. Press enter to
there's
activate.
a slice clap I turn on.
Slice clap enabled.
We're going to try it.
Exited menu.
And
4 and 3/4. 0. Channel 3.
I wonder if I should edit one that's not key sounded, because this is going to make it hard. Oh, another thing.
Difficulty. 13.4924.
Oh, I am narrating that. Okay. What?
Channel 2. Drums.org.
Drums. Okay. So those claps are on the slices. but that's really annoying right now. So I can see myself
36.
wanting to change that. Now, here's a question.
36 and a half.
Oh, okay, so
37. 37 and a half. 38. 38 and a half.
alright, moving up and down using, you can go slice to slice using Alt up and down,
38. 37 and a half. 37.
and that seems to work good.
41.
Okay, I want to turn that off,
Horizontal menu with 8 items.
and
Select file.
it's pretty annoying to change those
View. Play.
settings.
Play menu. In toggle autoplay button. F1. Restart button. F5. Toggle autoplay button. Enable node clap. Enable slice. Turn off. Toggle return cursor on pause. Turn off clap button. Clap disabled.
Turn off.
Exited menu.
Go away. Normally it's really easy for me to see if a track isn't done, because the Control D thing gives you a readout of a little graph. But I have no idea if I've finished this one or not.
$119 and 3/4.
Ah, see, this is so... there's something missing.
117 and 3/4. 124 and 1/4.
There has to... this is like... this is really hard.
120 and 1/4. 128 and 3/4. 112 and 3/4.
See, I feel like there's a notes missing here where I want them, but I can't. It's so hard for me to figure out where they are.
118
Right
and
there. And that's probably
118. 117 and a half. 116 and a half.
this is hard.
Channel 3. Channel 4. Channel 2.
Where's the
Drums.og.
where's the vocals?
Channel 1. Chords.og. Channel 0. Bassline.og. Channel 15.
No.
Channel 0. Channel 1. Channel 2. Channel 3. Channel 2. Drums.og. Channel 1. Chords.og. Chords.og.
Chords.
Channel 0. Bassline.og.
Bass line. Bass line.
Channel 1. Chords.og.
Where are the vocals on this
Channel
one?
2. Drums.og. Channel 3.
I think there's a few empty ones.
Channel 4. Channel 5. Channel 4. Channel 5. Channel 6. Channel 7. Vocals.og.
Oh, it's on channels. So vocals are on 7. Now if I do Control M, that's a problem. It doesn't narrate.
112 and a half.
It doesn't narrate when I mute, so
One more.
I can fix that. M mute. Mute? Where do, no, not mutex. Mute channel. Da, 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 da. Computer cooperate narration. I love when autocomplete just doesn't cooperate, because I don't know any of my code. I rely on come on, computer program, help. Narrator. Is that why? Hello, computer. It is not happy. No, don't do that. Oh, yeah, it's right here. Alright. I'm going to... What's the opposite of a mute? If something's not muted? Unmuted? Unmuted. I guess. Okay, we are gonna... Where am I at?
112 and 1/4.
112 and 1/4. Well, 112. I have to type that down.
1/4.
That's cheating, right? So, Whoops. So we can close this, rebuild. I need to
Blind dangerous. Unmute.
unmute. Okay, that's what I put. It's my little chat not. Oh, there it is. I heard you before I saw you. Hello, Blind and Dangerous. How are you doing? Let's see. Unmuted and muted.
Blind dangerous. Pretty good. Just been playing some Mortal Kombat and getting some coffee. Haha.
Mortal Kombat, I remember when I was a kid, we used to play Street Fighter 2 at the grocery store because they had an arcade machine there. And we would spend all day there, like during the summer. And that was when that game was brand new. So that was pretty exciting. And I think I always sucked.
Loading. Done loading. Press any. Well, arcade. Press left and right to select the track.
No,
Main
not what I
menu.
wanted.
Mission selection. Grid of missions. Standard difficulty. Selected test mission 2. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above below to the left. Press F1 for more. Loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Hit notes with
Cheating?
90% accuracy.
Okay.
Done loading. Press enter to autoplay on. Pause menu. 100. Song editor. 0.
Now I was gonna go to
Channel 1 chords dot. Channel 2 drums dot off.
2, 3, 4,
Channel,
5, 6,
channel 7 vocals dot off.
7 vocals. I want to go up to 120-ish.
8, 6, 24.
But anyway, let me test that.
Muted others.
Muted others. There. Now we just got vocals.
Unmuted all.
Actually, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Muted others.
I muted all the others. Where's the
7.
hello? I'm trying to unpause.
0.
Play.
Song editor. 4.5.
What is happening? I'm pressing F3.
Song editor. Song editor. Song editor.
Hello? Oh, it was playing, but I had
26 and 1/4.
that is oh, I'm doing okay. I muted all the channels and then actually muted the audio cues too. I don't want that. That's a bunch of crap. Let me fix that right now. We don't want that. Okay. Start over. Fix that. All the audio cues went away.
Romero 76. I've never tried to edit a track that had multiple channels. Blind dangerous. I actually did get a suggestion for you from a friend of mine. He was wondering if it would be possible to have a dialog box to jump to beat or time, and have the cursor snap to that position.
Yes.
Hagamok, it might be a good idea to announce if a channel is muted or soloed when you move onto it.
It actually does do that right now. So to yes, I actually let me do that right now because I wanted to do that. Like in a text editor, you hit Control G and type in the line number. Yes, I'm gonna do that right now while I'm thinking about it. Right at this second, I'm gonna put that in the track edit menu, like or where song edit, insert. Sure, here it goes. I don't care where it goes. Go to command. Go to beat. Command. Oh, also, hello, Peter Mock. I don't know how you say your name, so. Let me copy and paste a lot of code because that's what I like to do. I'm not using control. Oh, I just realized control G. I use G for authoring via lanes. What is control? I don't think that's a conflict. Go to beat. Control G. I don't need this. Oh, I need to get. How do I get text from the user? I forget.
Hi Gurmak. Yep, that's more or less how you say it. Good evening from Poland.
Get text dot ask, and then I give it a cool function. So how on earth how does this get text thing work? See, every time I write some code, I have to remember how to do programming. Oh, no. This is the... It's like I forgot how a lambda works. Okay, I'm doing it completely wrong. Passes me... Oh, the... Got it. Oh, here's where the text goes. It's evening? Well, it's afternoon here. Go to beat. I don't need to capture anything. I am so confused about lambdas in C++. How do they work? I don't know. Every time I write one, I have to like remember how to do it. Okay. And I need to do a try catch because I'm doing a, how do you do it? A string to a number. Is it an A2I? Am I using that somewhere else? I can't remember how to use program functions, so I have to find another place where I'm using it. What am I doing here? Cool. Okay, that's fine. I'm not... Okay, does A2I throw anything? I bet it does. Do you throw things? Function. No throw... Oh, this function never throws exceptions. Good. I hate exceptions. So I don't need to try block. So we do, how does that, you know what, I don't even want to ask. I was going to ask how, what does it return when it fails, but maybe I just don't care. Let's see, int, position, beat equals, actually it should be an A2F. It could be a float that you enter. You know what? That's stupid. We're not doing that. How do I go to... How do you move the cursor? Let me see. What happens when you hit page up? We do a... Oh, that does a scroll song. I don't like that. Brilliant.
Blind dangerous. I'm just guessing. But would the control B dialog work? That is asking you for a BPM selection, but I'm not sure.
I'm not sure what you mean. Control B. Oh yeah, it's the same. Yeah, I'm using the same. It's the exact same type of thing. I'm just trying to program, which is difficult. any of this. I need right. And game dot go to sample, right? And this function takes parameters of the sort. Visual Studio is being very slow today. It's throwing a fit. And I need it to work because I don't know what my own code is. Okay. Yeah. I'm not into that. Why is it? Gee, okay. Go to the sample. Alright. Current song get sample for position. I think that's what it's called. Is this what I want? Let's see if it builds.
Blind dangerous. Sorry, it was a bit back now. You were asking for getting a string to a number, and if there was another place where you had used it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's the exact same thing. Okay. Oh, that's why the compiler's unhappy, because I didn't capture I did not capture this capture thing for lambdas, or I hate them. I don't get it. I don't want to understand. Alright, computer program. Const position. Oh my gosh. Where else am I doing a current song is not a member of game. You're a liar. Oh, I think I just typed that wrong. I'm gonna throw a fit. This is making me very sad. Okay. Oh. Okay, I just need to look it up. C++ lambda captures. Capture by reference. Please, just explain it to me. Oh my god, these reference pages are useless. I have a simple question. I don't need to know everything in the world about the history of a computer program. Does this work? Did you know that I'm not trying to copy a game? I'm literally trying to snag a reference. Okay. Capturing? Oh my god. Capture by reference. That's all I want to do. Most basic thing. The at makes no sense. How? Okay, I give up. Instead of trying to capture that, I'm gonna make a new one. Fight me about it. Current song. Oh my god, just cooperate. do not understand why. Why? Literally why? Typing that right. Like the autocomplete is just not working. I think it's because I'm in a lambda in a lambda. I think that's why. Get frame from position. That's what I. Okay, will you please build now? All this work just so I can jump around in the song. Is it gonna let me map this to G? Because I'm using G for something else too. I should be able to hit Control G and do this. It has built. Good.
Loading. Done. Welcome to Sequence Storm. Main menu. Vertical menu with 6 items. Selected continue button. Press enter to activate. Press F1 for more information. Mission selection. A grid of missions. Standard difficulty. Selected test. Loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Hit notes with 90% accuracy.
Now.
Download. Autoplay on. Pause. Song editor. 0. Go to beat.
Go
Select the new
to
value.
beat.
The current value is. The cursor is at the end. 0. 120.
Okay. There. Yay, I did it. So I need to check this stuff in. So I'm adding some more narration. I really fixed the mute thing and fix mute all, muting audio cues, and added go to beat command. Done. So now I'm here. I don't remember what I was trying to do.
Channel 1 chords. Channel 2 drums.og. Channel 3, Channel 4, Channel 5, Channel 6, Channel 7 vocals.og.
So if you...
Muted others. Channel 6 muted.
Yeah.
Channel 5 muted.
It does tell you when they're muted.
Channel 6, Channel 7 vocals.og. One hundred and 115 and a half, 111 and a half, 111 and 1/4, 118.
Okay. That one is messed up. Now. This is hard. I don't know what I'm doing. See, now because this is key sounded, I have to make sure the what are they called? There's the slices. The notes have to be on slices. So
Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected. Play.
play menu.
Vertical menu. Restart. Toggle autoplay button. Enable metronome clap. Enable note clap button. Enable slice clap button. Press enter to activate. Slice clap enable. Exited menu.
So are the slices good?
114. 117 and 3/4.
Why is it not playing the slice clap? Hello?
113 and 3/4. 113 and a half. 113 and 1/4. 109 and 1/4. 118.
Okay, why are this... Is it to do with mute all being on?
Unmuted all. 104. 110. 118 and 1/4.
Did I do it right?
Key sound. 0. Undo toggle key sounds.
Okay. Did I not turn it on properly?
Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected. View. Play. Play menu. Turn off clap button. Press toggle return cursor on pause button. Press enter to activate. Turn off clap button. Enable slice clap button. Press enter to activate. Slice clap enabled.
So it's on.
Exited menu. 110 and 1/4.
Oh, you know what?
117 and a half.
The claps are much quieter than the cues. Was I just not hearing them?
109 and a half. 118. 100, 117. 116 and 3/4. 116 and a half. 115 and a half. 116 and a half.
So right here,
Deleted.
I deleted. I have no idea what I might have deleted right then. So there might have been a note that just wasn't on the right channel. Let me go.
1/4. 1 half. 117. 117 and a half. 107. 116 and a half.
So I want their...
Virus Stream Core, greetings.
Hello. How are you doing? This is hard. It took me that long to insert one note.
Save.
Okay, save my work. Something else I was thinking is that if you insert a note that's not on a sample, how do you know it's there? Because it'll be edited into the track, but because it's not associated with a sample, it won't work, but you won't be able to see it. So anyway,
112 and a half. 118 and a half.
that's all I wanted to fix. Now, let's see what else is bust. I'm sure there's tons.
Save.
Else.
Virus Stream Core, maybe some kind of tick sound just for notes.
Yeah, I don't. Well, the thing is, they're invalid notes, so I don't know how to. I think certainly if you insert a note and it's not and you're not on a channel, I think it should tell you that.
114 and a half.
Well, I'm gonna find another problem. Let's see if I can.
Blind dangerous? No, they definitely weren't there until you told the clap to turn on twice.
130 and a half.
Oh, really? Well, maybe you have to do it
Virus
twice.
Stream Core, maybe the voices says null dot.
Yeah, I think it should say something. I don't know if I'm worried about doing it right now.
126 and a half.
Something is missing here. I think what is going on here is I think I authored some notes here a while ago, but they're on another...
Channel 6. Channel 5. Channel 4. Channel 3. Channel 2 drums.og. Channel 1 chords.og.
I think they're on this channel.
Muted others.
Mute others.
122 and a half. 132.
Not that one.
Channel 0 muted bassline.og.
I'm lost now.
Muted others. 124.
Oh.
Unmuted all. 128.
Virus Stream Core, do you have the feature where you can record notes live?
I do. There is a feature, you can, like, play the song in the editor and hit buttons, hit the keys, and they will insert notes. I don't know how good it works right now, because I don't use it. I don't like to edit like that. And I know for a fact that I'm adding undo, redo. It's going to be in the build on Monday, but that stuff...
Blind dangerous, why are vocals way apart from everything else?
I don't know. I just put them in a channel by themselves. Why not?
Channel 15. Channel 0 bassline.og.
So baseline,
Channel 1 chords.og.
chords,
Channel 2 drums.og.
drums.
Channel 3 break 53-73.og.
What on earth is that? Oh. This is the one. Channel 3.
128. Muted others. 135 and a half. 136 and a half.
I just realized something. In order for... Yeah, I think I know what's wrong with the claps. At least the slice claps. Is that those won't work until you do something that... Yeah, it's...
132 and a half.
I know what's going on with that.
136 and a half.
I have no idea where I am.
Unmuted all. 124. 128.
Blind dangerous, I would try that feature. Authoring as it plays. At least for small sections.
Yeah, a lot of people would like that. I mean, it does work. I'm sure. I don't know where I'm at. I almost...
128.
128. So this stuff starts at 128. I can get it to regenerate by restarting and hitting F5. I bet the claps will reappear. Let's see if my theory is correct.
Gold medal.
Gold medal. Wow.
Autoplay on.
I don't know why it said that when I hit restart. It said gold medal. I was like, okay, great.
Song editor. Go to beat. Type the new value.
128.
128.
Okay, so I bet now.
Muted others.
Okay.
132.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
1/4.
So when you turn on slice clap, it doesn't work until you do something that.
Virix Dream Core. I like features like that as it is how I compose music. Play it, live, and edit in post. I get more natural patterns that way.
Yeah, I don't do anything like that. I imagine that if like you're actually a musician, which I'm not, then that would be much more natural to do. So I know how to fix the slice clap thing. I'll just add it to my to-do list for now. Where am I at? I wonder if when I hit Control G, maybe it should auto-populate with the last place I went to, and that way it would act almost like a bookmark.
Go to beat. Type the new value. 128.
Maybe.
Blind dangerous. Me as well. I can do it by beats, but I end up scrolling back and listening to what I have done anyway, and I think of new things as I listen.
Ow. So, what was I trying to do with this section? I think there's notes here, but they're just not associated with this. They're in the wrong channel.
Unmuted all.
Oh.
Muted others.
Why is there nothing here?
160 and 3/4.
From 128 to 160. Why is there no notes here? Is there...
Unmuted all.
How many measures is that?
156 and 3/4. 150, 148 and 3/4. 144 and 3/4. 128 and 3/4. 128 and a half. 128 and 1/4. 128.
Let's try that again. Is there no notes this entire time? Actually, you know what? Yeah, they just end right there.
160 and a half.
So, are there notes from here on out? Maybe not. Maybe that's where they... No, there's some notes. Why?
194.
Yeah, this is difficult. I'm gonna go back to... I almost want to cheat and look and see what is going on. I didn't push anything then.
Go to beat. 128.
Let's go 128. I'm gonna copy 4 measures.
132 to 128. 144 to 128.
It narrates that like in the reverse. Is that fine? That's weird. I don't know.
Single channel. All channels. Notes.
So I want to make sure I'm in the notes place. I hit Control C to copy and it didn't say anything. Okay, let's fix that. Oh dear. Copy. Yeah, this doesn't narrate anything. Alright. And the autocomplete is just not working at all today. Narrator. Let's see. Maybe if I count the number of notes it copies, that would be useful. Let's do it. Why the heck not? Count talk. Yeah. Oh, do a /n. Okay, so narrate. Are you sure that doesn't? What about when you copy? That's copying notes. That is unhappy. Why? Oh, being slow, that's fine. So if you copy instruments, I should say that too. I'm just gonna say that, copied instruments, and then if you about copying slices, that narrate? Nope, I'm gonna narrate copied, I'm just copied slices. Did I do that properly? Looks like it. What about pasting? Does paste narrate?
Camaro 76, what's the difference between slices and notes?
So slices is a thing that you have to do. Normally, well, by default, you don't have to do it. It's to do with key sounding, and that lets a couple things happen. Like, so when you work with slices, or when you work with key sounding, you have to insert slices to tell the game where all the individual sounds in the sample are. So like if it's a percussion sample, then you put a slice on every percussion hit, and then it allows you to associate notes with the actual sounds, and then like when the user misses a note, then the sound can cut out. Or if the user presses like one of the buttons, I don't know if you noticed that when you hit the buttons, it will play sounds, like whatever the last sound was that was associated with that button, it will play the sound. So anyway, let's do all that. It's a lot more complicated than the default, which is not using key sounding. So what was I? Oh, I was gonna put narration on, paste. Let's do it. If you paste buttons, let's pasted count notes. Let's do button. What am I doing?
Camaro 76, I might have noticed it. I've only ever played the default tracks. Blind dangerous. I guess my question then is I have just been authoring notes on beats. Is that wrong then? Maybe this is something that we just need to play with as it gets developed.
No, that's not wrong. That's just how it works when you are not using key sounding. You just put the notes wherever makes sense. But when you use key sounding, there's two steps to it. You have to insert a slice and then the note. Like each note has to be on a slice, or it doesn't work. It just makes things more complicated. But you don't. I wouldn't worry about it if I were you. I actually think it's.
Look, high five. You don't need to worry about slices if you are using a single song file.
Yeah, what he said. Paste slices.
Look, high five. It's just a way to take advantage of having song stems.
Yeah, it only makes sense if you're if you're using a track that uses many different samples. Okay. Did I successfully program the computer? I can't even remember what I was. Oh yeah. I remember now. I was trying to duplicate some notes.
Blind dangerous. Oh. It really only matters if you're working with multi-tracks. Okay. Sorry.
Sure. I think I'm just not good at explaining.
Loading. Welcome to Sequence Storm. Main menu. Vertical menu with 6 items. Mission selection. The grid of missions. Standard difficulty. Select loading mission. Boost is disabled for this mission. Mission objective. Hit notes with 90% accuracy. Done. Autoplay on. Song editor.
No.
1.5. Song editor. 0. Go to beat. 8. 128.
So I think I'm copying 4.
144 to 128. Single channel. All channels. Notes. Copy 22 notes.
Is it just the 4?
160.
Yeah.
162 and 1/4.
Okay.
Go to beat. 8. 128. 144. Pasted 22 notes.
Okay. Let's see
Save.
what save one.
128.
So I pasted those. No, where are they?
151 and a half.
Did I mess up?
Undo paste notes.
Undo paste.
Go to beat. 128.
I hate this. I'm gonna cheat and look and see what's going on. Why is it like this?
128 and 1/4. 129 and 1/4.
Oh, okay.
128. 134 and 1/4.
Okay, that's one. Okay. So,
Go to beat. 144.
oh, okay. This makes sense. Does it? Okay,
157 and a half.
now I see where I'm at.
Go to beat. 128. Track.
This entire section is on like the wrong. It's on, all these notes are on the wrong sample, first of all. So,
Channel 1 chords.og.
let's see if I can fix it.
Channel 2 drums.og.
Should be on the drums. So I'm gonna select 8 measures.
160 to 128. Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected file. View. Play. Track info. Edit. Track. Edit. Edit menu. Verdict. Move notes to current channel button. Press enter to activate.
Did that work? Am I in the menu?
Exited menu.
No.
Song editor.
Oh.
Go to beat. 8. 128.
I don't think that. No.
149 and 3/4.
I think there's something wrong with that move to current channel thing.
1/4.
Move to channel did not work. And remember Sailor easy beat 128 next 8 measures. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at that later. I don't know why. There's something wrong with that. What else can I know, since I looked, I know what this section is. And I don't actually want to just copy paste, but yeah, there's
158 and 3/4.
there's nothing here because they're all on a different they're on the wrong channel. Should I try again? Why did that not work?
Channel 3 break. Channel 2 drums.og.
Should be
Go
here.
to beat. 8. 128. 144 to 128.
So I selected that range.
Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected file. View. Edit. Track. Edit. Edit menu. Clear end of track position. Move notes to current channel button. Press enter to activate.
This is what I did. It didn't tell me anything. Am I still in the menu? That's one thing I hate. I don't know if I'm in the menu. Am I?
Exited menu.
Well, I'm not now. Is it, oh, I wonder if it's just not regenerated. Is that right? Let me test. I'll hit F5 to restart.
Autoplay on. Song edit 0. Go to beat. 8. 128.
Oh, okay.
134 and 1 4. 134.
It doesn't, okay, I can fix that. It just doesn't cause, regenerate. Alright, there we go.
$159 and 3/4.
Oh, there's something messed up there.
155 and 3/4. 161. 150. 153. 158 and a half.
Oh my. See, I've got a whole mess of notes here, I think, because I pasted over something else. This is like, how would you fix this? I don't even know. Oh, I hate it. I hate it.
142 and a half. 155 and 1/4.
What is that smack up there?
155. 154 and 3/4. 154 and a half.
This one. Can I just delete it?
Delete it.
I wonder if it... I don't know if I did it. Let me...
150 and a half. 157 and 1/4.
What in the world? It's really hard to navigate.
150. 100. 100 and 150. 155 and 3/4. 155 and a half. 155 and 1/4.
Here's what I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do? First of all, what is 128 plus... What, 4 times... Oh my gosh. I'm having to do math. Okay, I'm gonna skip this section now, because I don't like it.
Save.
I'm gonna save whatever I just did.
164 and 3/4.
Okay, I bet from here on out, all this stuff needs to just be moved.
164 and a half.
Is this one supposed to be... I'm confused about why. I thought I had already looked at these ones. No, this one was only... I thought that I had done this one. Oh, I do have notes.
$207 and a half.
I think that,
Go to beat. 8. 128. 130. 140. 150. 160.
from 160, can I do... I feel like it's the same issue with notes being on the wrong channel. I want to move them to
Channel 1 chords.og. Channel 2 drums.og. Channel 3. Channel 2 drums.
channel 2. So if I go to the end, shift end.
320 to 160.
Okay, I'm going to use that menu option again.
Horizontal menu with 8 items. Selected file. View. Play. Track info. Edit. Edit menu. Clear end of track position button. Move notes to current channel button. Press enter to activate.
Why would that not close? Okay, that should be closing the menu, first of all.
Exited menu.
Let me fix that. Move notes to current channel. It's trying to close it. I don't know why it's not closing the menu. Let's see if that even worked. And I'm gonna have to restart, I think, 'cause that was not... Go back to 128. Where am I?
Pause
Oh,
menu. Song editor. 0. Go to beat. 128.
oh 160?
Go to beat. 1. 0. 160.
Okay. What on earth?
204 and 1/4. Save.
Okay, so that was again the issue. The rest of this track, it just had notes that were not in the right channel. What's the difficulty of this?
Difficulty 18.4735.
Is that what I want it to be? 18?
1/4.
Supposed to be. Um. It's supposed to be. What is this? What difficulty am I in again? This should be easy.
Difficulty 18.4735.
Oh, it's an 18. It's supposed to be a 10. Ish. I hope maybe I copied this from another. Oh, jeez. Well, that's fine. Won't worry about that right now.
206 and 3/4. $320.
Okay. Well, I need to work on something much easier. So, is this real beginner? I'm gonna look at that one because that one is not key sounded right now. So let's look at that.
Save.
Save whatever I've done there. I have no idea.
Editor exited.
Um.
Pause
No.
menu. 101%. Pause menu. Restart. Quit. Mission selection. The grid of missions. Standard difficulty. Test mission 1. Gold medal. Test mission 3. Gold medal and bonus objective complete. There are missions above to the right.
It might be this one. I don't have the Let's do an
Main menu.
arcade.
Vertical menu with 6. Arcade button. Arcade. Press left and right to select the track.
Oh, you know
Press up
what?
and down to change the difficulty. Press F1 for more information.
I also want to be able to find tracks easier, like with a Control F in here. I don't think I have time to do that now.
Antimony's theme. Rated 9. At the distant world of stars.
Am
Rated
I?
Sort by difficulty.
Oh.
Alphabetical sort. Interference. Rated 14. Is this real? Rated
Oh,
15.
here we are.
Beginner difficulty. Rated 8.
Is this real beginner? I want to look at this.
Race options. Press enter to start or escape to go. Speed. Score. Loading track. Song editor. 9.5. Difficulty. 7.83512.
7 point. Okay. What is it supposed to be? I don't know. I don't care. This is much easier. Oh god. That sound is still so loud.
$185.5.
I just realized something interesting, and that this sample has key sounding off, but I'm still getting the slice claps. So I think it should not do that because it's kind of distracting. Where am I playing this slice clap? Slice clap? Slice clap. And this command, whoop. So instrument? No? Let's see. Where's the instrument? You know what? If it takes more than 20 seconds to fix, I'm just gonna make a note and fix it Monday. So you hear when the isn't key sounded. The game inserts automatic slices, which is why it was hearing them then. I won't worry about it right now. I wonder if this one is done. I think it is.
334 and 3/4.
That was kind of
322 and 3/4. 329 and 1/4. 321 and 1/4. 329 and 1/4.
there should be.
Channel 3. Channel 4 is Israel.og.
Okay.
320, 313 and 1/4. 328.
There's like one note missing for some reason.
316. 327. Song editor. 326 and 3/4.
Nope.
326 and a half. 326. 320, 324. 323 and a half. 324. 322. 326.
Is that what I want?
314. 329 and a half.
No, I inserted the wrong sound.
320, 326, 300, 324. 320, 326. 320, 318. 340. Saved.
Okay. I think that's what I want, but I know
320. 320, 327, 326.
oh, that doesn't narrate anything.
Saved. 314 and a half. 318.
There's no way to know like how the zigzag notes are laid out, and that's kind of annoying. Okay.
461.
The end of that track is boring, so I gotta fix that.
425. 445. 444.
So at 444,
440. 459 and a half.
I wonder if I can get something to follow that melody, or if that's gonna. Let's try it. Why not? It starts at 444.
435 and a half. Go to beat. Type the new value. 444. 443 and a half. 440. 444.
So from here until
460 and a half. 462 and a half, 460, 459 and a half, 459,
Can I select a range? Let's find out.
455 to 451 to 459, 447 to 459, 445 and a half to 450, 444 and a half to 459, 444 and 1/4 to 459, 444 to 459.
What? Mine
Single chat, all channels, notes, deleted,
deleted. Okay, I'm on.
440, 447, go to beat, type the new value, 444, 459,
Okay, this is really hard.
450, 451, 447, 443,
Okay, so it's how many measures is that?
440, 444, 440, 450, 460,
Just 4. Okay,
450, 452, 444,
I think I just want let's see, where am I at?
400, 444, 436, 428 to 436, copied 7 notes,
I'm gonna paste
go to beat, 444,
a few things.
pasted 7 notes,
What is that like?
440, 452 and a half, go to beat, 444, 452,
Delete that.
deleted, saved,
Oh, this is so hard to do. So let's see what. Now I can see how like playing the notes in real time might be a really good way. That's the one thing I don't have undo for right now. And that's also something you would really want to have undo for. Where am I at?
451 and a half, 452,
So let's see.
444,
I don't care about these first two measures, it's the second two that I want to.
457,
Dun 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 dun. If that makes sense. Where?
go to beat, 444, 452,
So it starts at 452. I almost want to have like bookmarks or something. I think that's would probably be more useful. I added that option to like return to a spot when playing, but in order to even toggle that, I have to mess with the stupid menus. So I don't even want to. So 452, it's easier just to remember the position of where I want to go. Okay, so should I try that one? No, I don't want to. So I'm on. Okay,
1/4,
okay, that makes sense.
400, 453, 454, 454 and 1/4,
Is that's not a quarter now, is it?
454 and a half, 450 and a half, 449 and 3/4, 455
Oh,
and
okay,
3/4,
that makes sense. Okay, okay.
go to beat, type the new value, the current value is, the cursor is at the end,
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have it remember the last place you went, and that can act as kind of a bookmark. I think that's a good idea, right? No. What does Visual Studio do? I don't care. Is that a good idea? Because I already forgot like where I was editing. I know it's
4, 4, 0,
I know it's 2.
4, 8,
Where? Computer.
7 and 3/4, 8,
Oh, how did I get down here?
go to beat, 4, 4, 4, 444, 440, 452,
452. See, I'm gonna forget that 100 times.
1/2, 450, 454 and a half, 455, 455 and a half, 456 and a half, 457 and a half,
Let's see. What does that sound like?
437 and a half, editor activity, Song editor. 459 and a half.
Yay, I did it. I think that's what I want.
Save.
Kind of. Let's listen to that again.
439 and a half. 459 and a half. 457 and a half. 458 and a half. 459. Saved. 439. 460.
That's good enough, right? I think so. I don't know why I called this one only 50% done. I think it's... Oh no, I called... Okay, I was wrong. No, 65. I think it's 70% done. That sounds good. Remember Sailor Easy? This one, I think I did some work on it. It's not terrible. I'm looking at my chart, deciding what I need to do. I'm not anywhere near as done with this as I wanted to be. I wanted to have like all beginner, easy, medium done, and I haven't even gotten to it. Oh, I wanted to have all the tracks kind of finished as well, but I just haven't gotten to it. What else should I try to edit? I'm trying to think what else I need to do and try for myself to see how hard it is to do. I wonder if authoring slices by itself is, where am I?
0.
By...
E sound. 1. 1/2.
Oh, it doesn't even... Okay, it doesn't even narrate.
E sound. 0. E sound. 1. 1.
Okay, it doesn't, there's no narration on editing a slice. So let's fix it. So removed or added. I don't know if it should say, I guess it should say remove slice or added slice. But if you hit the key by default, you don't know what you did. There, good enough. I'll build since I added a bunch of changes. Miscellaneous narration. I'm trying to think what other kind of editing should I try messing with. Testing.
Loading. Done loading. Press any button.
Oh, holds. I haven't authored any holds, and I had an idea about that. I kind of thought maybe I should, because every once in a while you insert a hold, but you hit the wrong note, and the hold gets authored on like something like way back instead. Oh, and you can undo that now, which is good, or at least you will be able to on Monday. But it's easy to see when you did that. However, hold duration. Okay, edit button duration. I want to narrate. I'm not narrating anything when you do that right now. So let's do it. Edit hold duration. hold duration is in beats, right? Talk. Oh my gosh, my K key repeats and it just repeated 4 times. This one, still, this one. Oh, there I am. Mute that. Hold duration set to get string, whatever. Come on. Okay. Let's test that.
Loading. Welcome to Sequence Storm, main menu, vertical menu with 6 items. Selected continue button. Press enter to activate. Press F1 for more information.
Where am I? I'm going to...
Arcade button. Press enter to activate. Arcade. Press left and right to select a track. Press up and down to change the difficulty. Press F1 for more information.
Let's see. Oh, did I must have killed the game?
Antibodies, 99 glues. Up. Rated 15. Carnival. Eaters, good luck. Arcade. Hiramatsu, Interpure, Japan. Rated, is this real? Rated 15. Beginner difficulty. Rated 8. Race options. Press enter to start or escape to go back. Vertical menu with 4 items. Speed. Score. Loading track. Autoplay on. Pause menu.
So.
0. 1/4. 1/2. 3/4. 1. Hold duration 0.
0. What? What did I just do?
Undo edit hold duration. 0.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2. 1. Hold duration 1/2.
1/2. Is that right? Where am I?
0.
That sounds wrong. I have to look and see. Oh, you know why? Oh, it wasn't in the right.
Channel 4 is the real.og.
Oh, it doesn't matter. I don't
Channel 3.
computer.
1. Channel 4 is the real. 1. Hold duration 1/2. Hold duration 1/2.
Why is that not even
1.
I'm
5,
confused.
9, 10, 9. Hold duration 6.
6? Okay, there's definitely that not correct.
8, 7, 8. Hold duration 0. 9. Insert. Hold duration 1.
Oops.
Deleted. Hold duration 8. 9. Hold duration 1. 10. Hold duration 2. 8. Hold duration 0. 0. 1. 2.
Why is it working now?
Hold duration 0.
That's really bizarre. Why is that happening? Not letting me set a hold. That's interesting. Is there maybe...
Deleted. 1. 1/4. 3/4. 1/4. 3/8 to 1/4. 1, 2 to 1. 2, 2, 2, 3 to 1. 3.5 to 1/4. Deleted.
Is it because...
3 and 1. 2 and 2. 1.5. 1. Hold duration 0.
Okay, I think I know what that is. That was another issue to do with nodes that are invalid. And an issue with the new... I actually need to...
1/4.
I should do that. For button 4s... I need to... Should I just draw the old draw the old notes when editing. Because right now, yeah, I had some invalid notes in here, and I couldn't tell that I had them. They're actually they're invisible, and so that was interfering with setting holds.
1 0 hold duration 0.
Okay, so this is actually working. All right, great. Narrate, editing, hold, duration.
16
So now if I edit a duration, hold
duration 6.
and I'm like 6, that doesn't sound right.
Undo edit hold duration.
Undo.
16 and a half, 18 and a half, 19 and a half, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 25 and a half. 25.
Why is that not
Hold duration 0.
0? No, this is not working.
20, 20, 22 and a half. Undo edit hold duration 26. Hold duration 10. Undo edit hold duration. Hold duration 0.
0? What in the world? Okay, that is not working at all.
Undo edit hold duration.
I wonder if I'll be able to oops, debug and figure out what the heck's going on. I'm at 26, it's at 20. Hold duration is now 6. Why was it saying 0? That's not what I want. What is it gonna say?
Hold duration 6.
Now it says 6.
Pause menu.
Oh.
0 combo. Song editor 0. 8,
Oh
8 and a half, 9,
boy.
20, 20, 20, 25 and a half, 20, 25, 19, 19 and a half, 20.
No, get rid of that breakpoint. I don't want it.
Hold duration 0. Pause song minus 15, 15 and a half, 17. Hold duration 0.
Oh, this is
16.
being
Hold duration 0. 16 and a half, 7. Hold duration 1. 16. Hold duration 7, 18 and a half, 21. Hold duration 0.
This is
20 and a half, 20 and a half, 21, 20, 20, 24, 20, 25.
why are you not working? Legal. Should be 1. Why are you saying 0? I'm at 25. The note is at 24. Should be 1. Try. Oh. What in the world? Okay. I know what I'm doing. I'm narrating it at the wrong time? Okay. That's just me being a bad programmer. I think I had, I'm doing stuff to a reference and then I'm doing something that I think is moving things around, and I like to do that where I use a pointer or a reference and then I do something that changes the length of an array or something, and now all of your pointers are invalid and then the program crashes. That's a fun thing to do.
Loading. Done loading. Welcome to C.
Okay,
Arcade.
now
Press
does
left
it
and right
work?
to select the track. Press up and down to change the difficulty.
Oh,
Press F1 for more information. Autumn day distraction. Carnival. Don't. Elegy. Element. Ethers. Good. Grim. Hardkit. Hero mods. Hide and beginner difficulty. Rated race options. Press enter. Loading track. 0, 4, 4 and 1, 5 and 1, 5, 8 and 1, 4, 8 and 3/4, 9. Hold duration 1.
yay!
8 and 3/4. Hold duration 3/4. Hold duration 0.
There, now it works. Oops. Meant to, oops. Well, I cannot think of any other things I want to test. You know what? I'm gonna test that live editing thing.
0.
Should I test it without? Here's how it works. I'm I'm gonna check in my changes that I've made. And then I'm gonna delete a bunch of notes.
Single channel. All channels. Notes. 420. 462 to 0.
I'm gonna delete this entire thing.
Deleted. 0.
Actually, does that work?
3 and 1/4. Autoplay on.
No, it does not.
Pause. Song 0.
There's a bug in the game, and I don't know where it came from, and I think I used to have this bug and then I fixed it and it came back, but if you delete every note in the track, then they all come back. So that's really fun.
462 to 3/4.
So I'll leave one note.
Deleted. 0.
Does that work? Yes, that worked.
9.5.
Good. Now, so that live edit thing depends on the cursor resolution. So if you want it to all be on,
1.
it quantizes it is what I'm trying to say.
0.
So if I play, I might have to go back
-4.
and then just play in the editor. I'm not gonna get any sound though.
16.
So did that work?
0.
No.
7.
Am I in the wrong channel?
Channel 1.
Yes, I am.
Channel 3.
Okay.
Channel 4 is Israel.og.
So
0.
you have to be in the right channel for it to work. Alright,
-4.
got it.
-16. 0.
Nope, didn't work. Why is that not working?
13.
Okay. The play edit is not working, you guys.
0.
That's not cool.
5.
This is broken. Well, I guess I lied to you because I said you could play edit, but this is not working.
0.
What in the world? Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. I know what it is.
0. 3. 2.
What?
Makai 5. Weird. I've definitely done it before.
1. 8.
Yeah, is it something to do with non-key sounded samples? Like, for instance, look at these notes. They're not in the right channel. I think that's what... Let me see. These should be going into, there's notes, but they're in the wrong channel. Let me see if I can figure out what is happening. I love creating software that doesn't work. And that's what I've done here. So, what happens? Channel cursor. I'm setting the new button into the current channel. This is really annoying. Let's see what happens. Going to channel 4. Weird. So, play editing is not working. So I don't know if this is something simple. Notes are showing up in the track, but not in the right channel. Actually, let's find out.
11.
What channel
0.
are these notes? Wait a minute, they're all here.
6.
Okay, I must have made a new bug recently, because there's a few bugs that I've seen today that are caused simply by the song not being like regenerated properly, because that was working, but I had to like actually restart the track for it to work. So something
1/4.
something was not working properly. So sometime I don't know when. I think maybe I broke something when working on the audio scrubbing. All these bugs due to the song not regenerating properly. I'm gonna have to look into that on Monday. Yeah. That's the issue with features, that you have to actually like make sure they keep working by testing and stuff. Oh well. Well, that's given me a few things to fix on Monday. And then I don't know, this works. It's difficult for me because I have such a hard time kind of visualizing where everything is. But so I'm just about done. I made it what, an hour and 45 minutes. That's good enough. I'm pooped. I'm tired. I did a bunch of yard work and now I'm like exhausted from being out in the sun and working out. So this was fun. I feel like I fixed a lot of small issues, which will hopefully make editing a lot easier. Also, having undo redo in the song editor is going to be really cool and really useful for everyone. So that is going to be in Monday's build. And I haven't even considered what I'm going to do for like a devlog on Monday. I don't know, maybe I won't do one. How about that? Yeah, I don't want to force it. I don't really have anything. I mean, undo, redo stuff, that's exciting, but not worth making a video about. Yeah, I don't know. So I'm actually quite happy with how things are going. Like, you can definitely edit.
Virix Dream Core, if you don't have something to make a whole video about, you don't have to.
Yeah, it's almost like I want to be in the habit of making devlogs. Because it's easy to.
Virix Dream Core, if autoplay is sort of working, I can try to see what's going on, at least from a user end.
I don't know what you mean by autoplay.
Virix Dream Core, my bad, not autoplay, placing the keys by hand.
Right. I know. I realize what's wrong with it right now. There's a bug. I must have broken this sometime in like the last couple of weeks. I think I changed a bunch of stuff to do with the audio scrubbing stuff, and I think that's when I broke it. That's what I'm thinking, but probably that'll be an easy thing to fix. I'll do it on Monday. So I think I know already what's going on there. It's just not something that's very interesting to fix right now. So I'm trying to have a proper Saturday now. Anyway, so yeah, anyway, about devlogs. Easy, what was I gonna say? It's easy to get out of a habit, but hard to get back into it. And I've been doing them regularly, mostly regularly for a while. I would like to come up with something to make a video about, something interesting. But if I don't, honestly, I feel like I'm so far behind on work. I kind of just want to do work instead. I don't know what happened this week. I was supposed to get so much work done and then I didn't, but maybe next week will be better. Anyway, so I think I'm done for today. Thanks all, I'm gonna say.
Sequence
So,
Storm, thanks all.
I'll do another
Virix Dream Core, Sequence Storm 2 will have ray tracing.
ray tracing? Oh, okay. What is with the chat? Oh.
Mukai 5, good stream, see y'all. Mukai 5.
Yeah, bye Mukai. Bye
Virix Dream
Virix.
Core, lol kidding. Bye.
Yeah, see you guys later. Thank you for coming by week after week. It's really cool. I feel like I have like an audience. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna go. Later.